Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you a little step-by-step video on how we made this really cool SpongeBob themed Pinewood Derby race car.
So we're gonna open the box, we're gonna take the piece of wood out, and we're gonna use the wood plane to thin it out so we can make a base for our car.
We are going to be using this piece of wood, some of these.
Make sure not to lose any of those screws or whatever's in there.
And we're going to be using this block of wood, these nails, and these wheels.
First we're using a number 1 sandpaper. This is a coarse one, so we can remove any imperfections and shapen it even more as we need to. And now he's using a sandpaper number 3 just to make sure it's all nice and smooth and no splinters left on it. Next we're going to use a Dremel tool to shapen it even more as we need. Always remember, wear a safety glass that produces a lot of dust. Next we're gonna cut the hole for our Spongebob to sit in, and the best way to place the weight in the derby car is 1 inch away from a rear axle. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna mark 1 inch away from a rear axle, and that's where we're gonna be in the middle of a seat for Spongebob.
To mention what we'll be using, we're just using some red and white acrylic paint, just something we picked up at Walmart, and this is the brand of clear coat that we're going to be spraying on after everything's done. So right now we're painting the boat white. We're getting ready to paint the whole thing white at the top and then red at the bottom. We've got our red and white paint, and he's working hard.
Hi.
Next we're going to assemble the wheels. So the only lubricant that BSA approves is graphite lubricant. You can pick it up from Lowe's, Walmart, any hardware store.
Yeah.
Alright, so go ahead. Do the other wheels for me. That's really good. That's good. That's more than good. That's good. Since wheels are nice and lubricated now, I'm gonna assemble them. So what you wanna do is you put them in the groove and you're gonna hammer them in. But you wanna make sure you leave a little space between the wheel and the body of your car. And BSA does not allow any spacers or gears. Nail will go a little bit sideways, so what you do is just take a flathead screwdriver, step it in the car and the Spongebob and his windshield. The car cannot be more than 5 ounces, and you want to get as close to 5 as possible. So we're currently at 2.6. So I picked up from Amazon. It's 3 ounces tungsten flexible weight. So we're gonna cut up and see how much we need to get at 5. There we go, perfect.
So we just used the hot glue gun to glue on. Of course the car looks dirty because some of that lubricant stuff got on there. We're gonna have to fix it. But we glued our Lego windshield on, and we're about to glue our Lego Spongebob
This
on.
is the Spongebob Pinewood Derby Car for the Cub Scout race. And if you like the video, hit that subscribe button and hit also the thumbs up button.